Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by meeting essentials and taking the first actionable steps. Install the client and update to the latest patch to avoid version conflicts, because mismatched builds block multiplayer. Once done, create your character and choose a class. This decides early abilities and resource flow, so pick based on playstyle. Make sure to link your account and enable cloud saves. It preserves progress across devices. Finally, configure controls and graphics to a stable 60 FPS target to reduce input lag during early encounter. You now move into the complex middle where choices compound. Focus on primary quests first because they yield the core XP and targeted gear that open new zones. Once you hit level thresholds, concentrate skill points into one role to reach meaningful tiers quickly. Spread builds feel weak early. Meanwhile, use crafting and merchant hubs to upgrade weapons and sockets. Marginal stat gains translate into easier fights. If playing co-op, communicate for role overlap to maximize party chemistry and reduce downtime. You reach the end game by completing final arcs and unlocking dungeons and world bosses designed for high-tier rewards. When preparing, optimize your loadout. Focus on enchantments, resistance caps, and consumable synergy, because small optimizations scale in boss fights. Once you enter a raid, coordinate mechanics and revive strategies to avoid wipes. If something goes wrong, first verify game files and reset talents to a previous template. If issues persist, gather logs and contact support for account-specific troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.